Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to create a drop-down menu in Shopify. First thing first, log into your Shopify admin dashboard and from the left-hand menu, click Online Store, then Navigation. Now in the menu section, click Add Menu on the top right corner. This will open the menu creation page. In the title field, enter the name of your menu, for example Shop Categories, Customer Help or Explore. This title helps you identify the menu later and it won't always display to customers. Just click the plus Add Menu item at the bottom of the Menu Items section and enter the name of the menu item. Choose the link type from the drop-down. You can link to collections, products, pages, blogs, external URLs and click Add to save them. Now repeat step 4 for each new menu item such as bestsellers, sales or contact. Rearrange the order by dragging and dropping menu items into your preferred layout, and you can also nest items to create drop-down menus like drag one slightly under another. Once you've finished adding and organizing your items, click the save button at the bottom right corner and your new navigation menu is now live and ready to use on your Shopify store. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.